Hi guys, how's it going? It's Mark here. How you doing? All right. I just thought I'd write a little user guide to accompany this little app I've written. In the previous app, the first app I wrote, we did basic differentiation, wasn't it? And then we did powers of x, we did sines and cosines, we did exponentials and logs, and little things like that. I messed around with differentiation there and brought it in and did stuff. Now on this second app, we're just going to carry that forward then, in a natural way really. And we're going to do functions of a function. And the formula for that one, functions of a function. Functions of a function. Sorry about waylaying with writing all that down. But the formula we use for that is dy dx equals dy du dx times du dx. And that's the standard formula. And we'll apply that, we'll have about 50 questions. What's going to happen with this section is I'll probably go through the long-winded method. For the first 13 questions, that's right. And then in question 14, look out for question 14 because that's going to be a transitional question where we morph into the quicker method, the shorthand method. So we'll have 13 long-winded ones where we just do the more circuitous method, that's right. And then we sort of morph in question 14 into a transitional method to the shortcut method. Alright, so we do some functions. Some of them are going to be a little bit awkward actually and quite a little bit convoluted. We'll end up doing functions of a function of a function in the end because we do so many of them. So I'll give you an example of something we're going to do just by way of illustration. What should we look at? Just looking here now. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's not nice. Well, this one here. This is number 42. Really nasty little question. A bit contrived actually, but we're going to look at 3 log n x squared x cubed minus 1 to the power half, right? Close bracket. And we're asked to use the function rule to differentiate that. So that just illustrates it. In the end, when we get really good, these don't really present too much of a problem. Alright, so don't worry about how awful that looks. It does look really awful, but it's no problem once we get used to using this method. They're all fairly straightforward, and they fall out. The answers fall out naturally. So we're going to do functions of functions. We're going to do products, and we're going to use the product rule. So dy dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. So we do lots of product rule questions, and we'll also do products where the constituent parts are themselves functions of a function. So there'll be a lot going on, but once you've got used to doing these things, everything falls into place. And then we're going to look at quotients. Finish this little app here today on quotients, and that will be d by dx of, if you had a quotient like u over v, I'll put it like this, it'll be v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. Sorry about being a bit scruffy, but that's the formula for the quotient then. There. And we'll do some of those, plenty of those, until we're thoroughly happy with how to do these sorts of things. Alright. What else is there? Oh yeah, these are they're probably about 100 little videos. So the idea is for you to have a go, as per usual, have a go at the questions. When you've had a go at the questions, then click on the answers, or click on the answers before if you want. And then you can see the video of exactly how to do the question. Nice little simple little video, and then click back and then just try various questions until you're happy with the subject. This app that I've made, it's my A-level one-word maths tutor. So that's the name of it, maths tutor, and I've called it diff 2. Diff 2. Because the preceding one was diff 1. Yeah, so it's my A-level maths tutor, little app. So you're welcome to use it. It's a good little user interface. All the videos, for the most part, are on YouTube, so you can hunt them out and find them. And it takes a bit longer, of course, without the app, but it's still doable, really. Along the bottom, you'll see various resources. Again, this user guide, of course, included. There'll be reset rows. Once you've had a go, if you want to reset anything, you can reset the row, have another bash, and see what you've done. There'll be a little video. I think I'll put a little annual lecture at a particular university the Glamorgan University's annual maths lecture. It's quite a nice lecture. I'll put one of those up for you. And I'll also put, so look out for that. And I'll leave the math tip in this time because I haven't got time to do another one. So I'll leave that math tip in. And I'll put in the past paper as well. I'll leave that in as well. So hope you enjoy the app. Have a good time. And I'll also might put in a little email thing, stub, so you can click on that and send me an email. Otherwise, just, you know, if I don't, just give me a buzz on my A-Level Maths Tutor YouTube site. Yeah, give us a buzz. Let me know what you think. And maybe send in the odd question or anything like that. And I'll give it a go and maybe put some up for you. Okay then, guys. I'll catch you again. Cheers.